In this video, find out how to cut pineapple easily without waste. First, you need the pineapple. Place it on your kitchen or work surface and cut off the top part, this prickly leaves part. Then place it like this and cut the skins on the side. And the whole table shakes along with the camera. What a perfect tutorial. So to avoid embarrassment, I took the pineapple in my hand and started cutting the skins off. This is how people used to do even before chopping boards, isn't it? Anyway, back to how to cut a pineapple video. This is the reason why I did not take the bottom part out earlier. There's a portion that's overripe and more pressure on it would have made the juices to come out when the skins are removed with bottom part cut out. You see these eyes? They contain sharp cuticle membranes that can cut your tongue, so I'm just trimming it out wherever I find them. This is the way to reduce waste than cutting half an inch of pineapple skin directly, which can take out much of the sweet flesh. Once the eyes are removed, cut into half, then again into half, and once more into half. You see this thick center? It's quite fibrous and it has little to no sweetness at all. So you may or may not use it. Once the core is removed, you can cut the pineapple into cubes or slices, either for a smoothie or a salad or a salsa. And if this video was worth your time, give it a like and go on to watch how to cut a mango or how to cut open a coconut with a knife. And I shall see you on the next video. Take care.